Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is inserting it and deleting a node at a given position in the linked list in Java. So let's get started. So what is the topic? Inserting a node at a given position. Now let's take an example like this is my linked list and this size of the linked list is 4. Now what happens here is I have a new node which is wanted to be inserted at position is equal to 0. So what happens if my position is equal to 0? It is nothing but we are inserting a node at the starting position. Now what will happen here is it's nothing but insert at first. We already implemented that method how to insert a node at the starting of the linked list. So we already done with that. And what happens if my position is equal to size minus 1? Means I want to insert a node at the last position. That is nothing but inserting a node at last. We already implemented it. So what happens if my position is equal to in between this? What happens? So let's see that. Initially I'm taking a temporary node here. Temporary node. Now what happens is initially my I is equal to 1. Here my position minus 1. For example, if my position is 2, here position minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Initially my I is 0. I will check is my 0 is less than 1 or not. Yes, it is less than 1. Now temp is equal to temp dot next. My temp will go to here. This will be gone. Okay. Now again, my I will be incremented to 1. Is my 1 is less than 1? No. Here it stops and what happens is my node, this is my node now. Node dot next is equal to temp dot next. What happens here is actually node dot next is equal to temp dot next. This will be gone and node dot next is equal to temp dot next. What is temp dot next is pointing to? There, this node dot next will be pointed. Now temp dot next is equal to node. This will be gone and this temp dot next will be pointing to node. Here it is inserted at the position 2. Now it will be 3, it will be 4. My total size will be now become 5. That's it, inserting a node at a given position. Now let's start coding now. Now let's implement this inserting a node at a position at a given position. Let me check if it is recording or not. Yes. So okay. What is the first thing is if my position, what happens if my position is less than 0 or if my position is greater than or equal to size minus 1. Sorry, it's greater than or equal to size. So what happens here in between this range? We are just simply so I'm just printing system dot out dot print ln that is invalid position. That's simple. Now okay, now I will check with another condition like what happens if my position is equal to 0. I already told that we already implemented that insert at first function. See, at the starting we implemented how to insert a node at the starting position. So that's it. We are doing that. And what happens if my if my position is equal to size minus 1? It's nothing but I want to insert my position at the end. We already done with that insert at end function. Now what else we want to do? Else position. What happens in else position? First of all, we will create a new node. Node. Okay, now I will insert that node dot data is equal to data and node dot next will be pointing to null. Now I will create a temporary node which is pointing to head and I will run for loop for int I is equal to 0 and I less than position minus 1 and I plus plus. What I'm doing, temp is equal to temp dot next. That's it, up to here clear. Now what is the next step? Node dot next is equal to temp dot next. Now my temp dot next will be node. Now after this what will happen is I will increment my size, like size plus is equal to 1. Okay, that's it here. Now, this is about how to insert a node at a given position. Now, how to delete a node at a given position. So let's start that. Now, let me explain how to delete a node at a given position. So, as inserting a node at a given position, we also have some rules. For example, what happens if my position is equal to 0? If my position is equal to 0 means I want to delete the node at 0th position. It is nothing but we already implemented how to delete a node at the start. And what happens if my position is equal to size minus 1 means I want to delete the last node. We also implemented that how to delete a node at the end of the linked list. So what is the thing here is what happens if my position is lies in between these two ranges. For example, if my position is equal to 2, I want to delete this second position node. Here, first of all, what I'm doing is I'm initially taking my temporary is equal to head. Now my I is equal to 0 and I is less than position minus 1 means position is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Here my I is less than position minus 1, that is nothing but 1. Here my 0 is less than 1. No? So my temp is equal to temp dot next means my temp will move to the next node, pointing to next node. And again, my I will be incremented by 1. Here 1 is less than 1. No. So what happens is here it will stop and temp dot next. What is temp dot next? This one. This temp dot next will point to temp dot next means temp dot next means this dot next means this means here this will pointing to here. That's it. Means this will here there is no linking, so this will be not considered. So that's it, how to delete a node at a given position. Now let's start coding. Okay, now let me implement this, how to delete a node at a given position. So it is as same as simply how to insert a node at a given position. So these three conditions are similar. Okay, but here what is the thing? If my position is equal to 0, delete at first. We already implemented it. What happens here? Delete at end. We already implemented these two functions. See, delete at end and delete at first. No. Okay. Now what will be there in the else part? We are just simply taking node temp is equal to head. We are simply pointing it to head and I am running for loop for int I is equal to 0 and I less than position minus 1 and I plus plus. Now my temp is equal to temp dot next. At last what is happening? Temp dot next will pointing to temp dot next dot next. That's it. Here what happens? My size will be decremented. No? At last what I will do is my size minus is equal to 1. That's it about this deleting a node at a particular position. Let's save this, and what I written here is in main.java. Let me do this. What happens really is here. Okay. What is the first one? Delete at middle. Or delete at middle means there is no node at. Now this will return some error message. I already written that. Now insert at end. As there is no node, I will create a new node of 2. At insert at end. Sorry, delete at end. So this is the only node. Now I will delete this. And again, insert at end 5. So 5 and this will pointing to null. Now insert at middle using pointer approach. We have pointer approach and also count approach. But using pointer approach, I want to insert at middle. So there is no other node. So this is the middle. What I will do is I will insert the other node. What is the data? 10. This will pointing to null. And insert it first. At first, I will insert 33. Insert it first. At first, again, I will insert 34. Now, insert at end. At end, I will insert 7. This will point into null. And insert at end. Again I am inserting 8. This will point into null. And again insert at end. Again I am inserting 6. Null. Deleted middle. What is middle one here? 10. I will delete this directly into here. Deleted 10. I will delete this position. This will point into null. Deleted first. I will delete this and head will point into here. And list.show. If what show method do? It will print all the data values 33, 5, 7, 8. That's okay. And inserted position 60. So this is the data and this is the position. As 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to insert this 60 node at the second position. So what will happen here? Let me draw again. So there will be 33 node, 5, and here 60 will be there, here 7, and here 8. This will pointing to null, and this is my head. Now again, list.show means 33, 5, 60, 7, 8. Now again, deleted position 3. What is the third position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third one. This will be deleted. Okay. What again? List.show means only 33, 5, 60, 8. So let's check is our output is like this or not. There is some error message because of this, and this 2 will be this 3 will be printed like this. So let's check if it is right or wrong. Okay. Now let's check is our expected output will be equal to actual output or not. Okay, this is our expected output. Now let me run Java. No errors. So Java space main. See, first of all, no node to delete. Yes, it is right. Error message 33,578, 33,578, 33,567. Yes, it is true. 33,568. So that's it about this video. Yes. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. The coming up video is how to reverse a linked list in Java. Okay, we have many approaches, so we can discuss the 2 approaches how to reverse a linked list using a pointer approach and also iterative thing. So let's discuss this all the things in the next video. Subscribe to my channel Quick Coder to get notified for the further videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.